Today I am reviewing the ALORAIR Commercial Dehumidifier 113 Pint. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The ALORAIR Sentinel HD55 Commercial Dehumidifier is a serious, professional-grade moisture control unit designed for demanding environments where standard household dehumidifiers simply cannot keep up. This is not a small room appliance. It is built for crawl spaces, basements, warehouses, commercial properties, restoration jobs, and areas affected by heavy humidity or water damage. After reviewing its features and real-world use case, it becomes clear that the Sentinel HD55 is engineered for performance, durability, and long-term reliability. One of the most impressive aspects of this dehumidifier is its powerful moisture removal capacity. With the ability to remove up to 113 pints of moisture at saturation and around 53 pints per day under HVAC conditions, it is designed to handle serious humidity problems quickly and efficiently. In practical terms, this means it can significantly reduce dampness, condensation, and musty odors in medium to large spaces up to around 1,200 square feet. For basements that constantly feel humid or crawl spaces that trap moisture year-round, this level of performance makes a noticeable difference in air quality and structural protection. Moisture control is not just about comfort. It is also about preventing long-term damage. Excess humidity can lead to mold growth, wood rot, rust, and even structural weakening over time. The ALORAIR Sentinel HD55 is built specifically to address these risks by maintaining stable humidity levels in environments where moisture is a persistent issue. For homeowners dealing with damp basements or contractors handling water damage restoration, this machine becomes an essential tool rather than a luxury appliance. Durability is another area where this unit stands out. The metal outer casing gives it a rugged, industrial-grade build quality that is far more resilient than typical plastic consumer dehumidifiers. This matters because crawl spaces, basements, and job sites are not controlled environments. Equipment often gets exposed to dust, moisture, bumps, and rough handling. The solid construction ensures that the dehumidifier can withstand these conditions while maintaining reliable performance over time. One of the most convenient features of the Sentinel HD55 is its continuous drainage system. Unlike standard dehumidifiers that require frequent manual tank emptying, this unit eliminates that hassle entirely. It comes with a drain hose that allows collected water to be automatically removed without interruption. This is especially valuable in commercial or unattended environments where constant maintenance is not practical. Once installed, the system can run continuously without requiring daily attention, which saves both time and effort. Another important feature is the MERV-1 filter, which helps protect the internal components from dust and debris. In environments like crawl spaces and basements, dust buildup can quickly become a problem and reduce the efficiency of machines over time. By filtering incoming air, the unit not only improves air quality, but also extends the lifespan of its internal components. This contributes to long-term reliability and reduces maintenance needs. The automatic defrost system is another intelligent feature that enhances usability in real-world conditions. In colder environments, dehumidifiers can sometimes experience frost buildup on internal components, which can reduce efficiency or cause damage. The Sentinel HD55 solves this problem with built-in sensors that detect low temperatures and automatically initiate a defrost cycle when needed. During this process, the compressor temporarily pauses while the fan continues running, allowing frost to melt safely. Once complete, normal operation resumes automatically. This feature ensures smooth performance even in challenging temperature conditions and helps protect the internal system from unnecessary wear. Portability is also well considered in the design. Despite being a commercial-grade unit, it is compact enough for job site movement and includes a sturdy handle for easier transport. Whether moving it between crawl spaces, basements, or different floors of a building, the design allows for practical mobility without excessive difficulty. This makes it especially useful for contractors, restoration professionals, and property managers who frequently relocate equipment. From a usability standpoint, the control system is straightforward and user-friendly. Users can set the desired humidity level and let the machine manage the environment automatically. Once configured, it continues to operate efficiently without requiring constant adjustments. The memory restart function adds even more convenience by ensuring the unit resumes its previous settings after a power outage, which is extremely useful in areas where power interruptions may occur. Another major advantage of this product is its long-term reliability backed by a 5-year limited warranty. In the commercial equipment category, warranty coverage is extremely important because these machines are expected to operate under demanding conditions for long periods of time. Having strong manufacturer support provides additional peace of mind for both homeowners and professionals investing in the system. The performance of the Sentinel HD55 is best appreciated in real-world scenarios. In a damp basement with persistent moisture issues, it can steadily bring humidity levels under control, improving air freshness and reducing musty odors. In crawl spaces, it helps protect insulation, wood structures, and foundations from moisture damage. In commercial environments or storage facilities, it ensures products, equipment, and materials remain safe from humidity-related deterioration. Of course, this is not a lightweight consumer appliance designed for silent bedroom use or small apartments. It is a powerful industrial tool, and with that comes a certain level of operational noise and size considerations. However, for its intended purpose, heavy-duty moisture removal, these trade-offs are expected and acceptable. Its strength lies in reliability, continuous operation, and high moisture extraction capacity. Overall, the ALORAIR Sentinel HD55 stands out as a dependable, industrial-grade dehumidifier built for serious moisture control challenges. It combines strong dehumidification performance, durable construction, intelligent features like auto defrost and continuous drainage, and long-term warranty protection into a complete professional solution. For homeowners dealing with persistent damp basements, property managers maintaining buildings, or contractors working in restoration and water damage recovery, this dehumidifier offers a practical and powerful solution. It is designed to work hard, run continuously, and deliver consistent results where standard household units fall short.